Like I'm a good boy. Teacher, drink a little bit. You must be so thirsty. Are you a soldier?
Hi.
Okay.
알겠습니다. Hello everyone, this is Arisa from MalayPanTV. 今日はですね、クランに来ていて、こんな場所なんですけど、クランで有名なものが一つあります。何かというと、バクテーというお料理です。で、本日はそのバクテーがとても有名なお店のこちらのサンファバクテーっていうお店に来ています。このお店はローカルの方にもとても有名で、この橋の近くにあるので、橋の下 Under the Bridge という名前でとっても有名だそうです。Today we have a really special guest.
Hi everyone, hi Jesse, apa kabar? I'm Jesse from YouTube channel Jalan Jalan Jesse, and actually it's my first time of being Klang.
Wow, first time in
It's an amazing city, and I love the weather and every vibe right here.
Right.
So thank you for having me. She got a lot of recommendation, and I got recommended by her, so I'm so excited.
Yeah.
So I cannot wait anymore.
Oh, cool. So let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, go. やばい。
Be careful.
Wow, 見てください。Look at this.
You just spoke Japanese. Oh, okay.
Because I thought you can understand.
Oh, that one is I can understand.
Because you know a lot of Japanese.
Yeah.
Look at this. I really love the smell too.
Yeah. This is amazing.
Yeah.
I mean, you like the pork skin?
Actually, I really love
Really? You like the collagen stuff?
collagen stuff. Yeah.
And look at the knife, you know. It's so Chinese.
Yeah,
like,
Chinese.
They're so cool.
They are really doing really fast.
Yeah, really fast and professional.
Yeah.
And I can see, you know, they are mix everything like pork and soup.
Soup and veggies and those ingredients.
You know what it is?
Actually, I don't know.
There must be like youtiao, if I'm right. There must be egg and
tofu da.
tofu.
Tofu and something like
Something like 全然わかんないです。
몰라.
진짜 뭔지 모르겠어. And this is rice.
Right.
And I love eat rice with nice soup.
Yeah, so good. This is really gonna be really nice one.
Yeah. By the way, if you want to say delicious, oishi, you can say sedap.
Sedap.
And if you want to say it looks delicious, you can say nampak sedap.
Nampak sedap.
That's great. Okay. Then let's find our seat. There's so many people.
Yeah, we're really packed. Oh my god, this must be really famous store.
There's no seat, huh?
So while we are waiting for our seats, maybe let's look around the store and see.
Ooh. What is this, by the way? I wanna. You have any idea? Me too. I don't know. I wanna ask this later to the owner or waiter.
Oh, 見て。ニュースとかいっぱい。A lot of newspaper.
I can see Japanese right there.
Yeah.
What's this? Japanese newspaper, maybe?
I think so. Soon later, they will have Korean newspaper.
I hope so.
Yeah.
So it proves that this is really good restaurant.
Yeah. いっぱい有名な人がいる。すごい。見て。
I can see there is a chef, you know? This guy is everywhere. And I think this guy is the owner, you know?
Yeah, and I see, just now I noticed that picture.
Okay.
Yeah. So he must be.
Same guy.
Yeah.
Is there this guy? I don't think so.
Yeah, he must be busy.
And Arisa-san,
はい。
what is this?
これはレッ そうこれはねお湯に入れて何分かにコトコト煮込むだけで食べれるらしいからこのお店に来る時間がない人は多分これを買った方がいいと思います。
あ、全然わからないですけどいいですね。あ、美味しそう。
So how do you learn Japanese then? Because your Japanese is pretty, you know.
How do I learn Japanese?
Yeah.
Because actually I got some friends, Japanese friends in Malaysia.
In Malaysia?
And back in Korea also.
Back in Korea?
Yeah.
Oh, so you learn a lot of, like you hear a lot of Japanese and you just learn from them?
Yeah, but I just
From
try.
listening?
Yeah, and I try, and I know some very old singers, musicians like ex-Japan, Zado, Ozaki Yutaka.
Oh, you like those
めっちゃ
singers?
めっちゃ아저씨です。
わあ、めっちゃ
おもろいおもろい。
So, after 20 minutes, we finally got to see.
And we got this.
Yeah.
And the thing is, we don't know how to
Deal with it.
I thought you were gonna teach me how to do it. You don't know.
No, I don't know it, seriously.
Okay, then we gotta figure it out.
Yeah.
Usually when I go to eat like dim sum or something, there must be tea right here.
There's nothing inside.
Not water.
How do we find the water? I
What's
see
that?
something left, yeah.
Pot is cooling. Now I got it.
Yeah.
Because right here, we've got a pot as well.
So he's gonna drink. Oh,
Shit, it's so hot. How did...
how does he even?
全然無理です。
超熱い。
絶対無理です。
絶対無理か。
살짝.
もち。
絶対無理です。これ어떻게 하지? Oh, excuse me? We want to make a tea. How can we?
It's too hot.
Can you help us? 谢谢你。
谢谢。
Oh, too hot, too hot. Okay?
Oh my god.
Are you serious? And he was like, oh, this is nothing. Oh, it's not hot. What
the heck?
Okay, and I think we have to put the tea first.
Oh, do we need to wash this first or I don't know. Do we need to wash this?
Okay, I don't know.
これは多分。いやー。
Actually, there's the hot water just now. Just pour it here, inside.
Just a little bit, then you can pour the rest in the teapot.
Okay, like this.
Yep.
That's enough.
In the teapot as well.
Okay.
You definitely look like super big in there, you know?
yeah.
어, 재밌어요.
재밌네요. 아니,
재밌네요.
한국어를 잘하시네요.
왜 너무 와봤나요?
Actually, I didn't know that she could speak Korean, so
ちょっとだけ
like my Japanese.
Maybe at the same level.
Yeah, same level.
Oh.
A little bit first. You must be thirsty. Oh, put this like I'm a big boy. Teacher, drink a little bit. You must be so thirsty.
Oh my goodness. Look at these.
Look at that.
Full set. I think this is a full set of Bak Kut Teh.
Wow.
これはチリ。
Oh, this is soy sauce.
あ、
This is soy
普通
sauce.
のソイソースか。
Yeah. Okay. What do you want to try first?
本当 I really want to try it.
Poking this in. Okay, let's try.
Again,
Oh, with rice.
スープで。Okay, let's taste. Let's taste.
Just try it.
ちょっとほらいただきます。
So good.
I really
So
love
tender.
I really love the soup. Like it's really thick and rich,
Yeah. Thick and rich.
flavorful.
It's so good. Can I just take this all?
Sure. Wow.
Okay.
Go.
Have try chokpal? It's like a Korean, like, for
Pork?
some friends.
I heard of it, but I haven't tried. 보쌈は食べたことある。
It's like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
MalayPanTV.
It's time for making her get scared. Are you a soldier?
はいはい。
Okay, okay.
하겠습니다.
So, 行きましょう。
はい。
大丈夫ですか？
大丈夫ないです。
大丈夫じゃないです。
I don't know how
But-
locals eat it.
But this is not like Korean style. But I usually get this and just
So this is pretty common in Korea as well?
we don't cook like this, but I love this.
遠くないこれもうなんか。
So good. Separating.
いただきます。
頑張ります。頑張りましょう。
超柔らかい。Really tender. MalayPanTV. Now, question one. When did you come to Malaysia?
I got to Malaysia January 2021.
2021
Yeah.
January. 20
guess.
months. But he already know a lot of Malay words, and then he really got used to this place. I'm really amazed how much.
Because I love Malaysia, I love Malaysian people, I love Malaysian food. I go everywhere. I say hello to everyone. That's why.
So nice people,
Yeah.
right? Wow.
Whenever I say hello to everyone, they're like, huh? What's this? What is this guy? What's this guy? And we become friends.
But that's why your YouTube channel is really fun.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Want to know a little bit of like good thing about Malaysia, and then a little bit bad thing about Malaysia.
Then I'll go for bad thing first.
Oh.
Not say bad things, something that I feel uncomfortable living in Malaysia as a Korean.
Oh, no. I'm curious actually.
Okay, after this, I'll think about it. To be honest, I love to drink. I love to drink alcohol.
そうか.
So basically, when you eat nice food, you always say, I want to drink. For example, today we are having Bak Kut Teh, right? This amazing protein, this amazing soup. I feel like, I want to drink soju.
Oh, so it's like a compliment.
Yeah. It's a totally compliment.
Totally compliment.
So when I go outside and try Malaysian food,
Yeah.
I feel like I want to drink.
You always
Like, it's
wanna
kind of
drink.
hard, you know.
Yeah.
I respect that 100%, but
Yeah.
it's the thing that I feel sometimes uncomfortable. Sometimes
Yeah.
I'm sad.
Yeah.
Let's say I'm sad.
It's like cultural difference.
Cultural difference.
Oh, I
Yeah.
see.
And good thing, I will say, I love Malaysian food. If you go outside from your house, you can see many stores, many shops. Some shops, they cook Malay cuisine. Some shop you go, they cook, Bak Kut Teh, they cook dim sum, Malaysian Chinese. Some shop Malaysian Indian. Some shop Indonesian, Thai.
Pretty a little like a various kinds of food, like a food paradise.
It's like a various kind of food paradise.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Yeah.
Really
And food is amazing. So that's all.
Yeah.
와.
배불러.
배불러. 오나가 이빨.
오나가 이빨. I'm really
In
full.
Malay, 그냥.
그냥.
상하 그냥.
그냥 sounds like Korean though.
그냥.
그냥.
Just. Right.
그냥, right?
I thought that when I heard 그냥 it's the first time.
Yeah.
Look at my face. This is the truth. This is the face of the truth.
So I was really happy to have him and come over here and have really great Bak Kut Teh in Malaysia. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and please watch his video as well, Jalan Jalan Jesse.
Thank you.
Okay. So see ya, bye bye.
Okay, you don't have to tell about your channel. Subscribe your channel.
そうだった。Yeah, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel.
Okay.
お願いします。
お願いします。バイバイ。バイバイ。
Got this, I got this.